In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link Genshin Impact account to Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the two main ways in which you can manage your Hoyoverse account progress and make sure that it is linked to an Xbox account. The first one is going to be if you previously played or you play Genshin Impact on a PC or a smartphone and you want to transfer over that progress to an Xbox console. And the second method is going to be for people who have gained progress on the Xbox, but they don't have a Hoyoverse account, and now they want to back up that progress and save it so they can play across multiple platforms. So for the first one, which I believe most people will fall into this category. So if you play Genshin Impact on PC, PlayStation, or on a smartphone, and you already have progress that you want to transfer into the Xbox console, then all that you have to do is open the game, and when you open it for the first time, you will see these menus here. Already have an account, log in directly, and then create a Hoyoverse account. The second option is going to be useful for people who have never played a Hoyoverse game before, so it isn't the focus of this video. What you have to do is choose this first option, already have an account, log in directly. This will then give you a QR code or the option to link via email. So all that you have to do now is sign in using the pre-existing Hoyoverse account that you have. And as I've said before, the progress that you have on any other device, such as a PC, a smartphone, even a PlayStation console, will all be saved into the Hoyoverse account, which consequently gets transferred over to the Xbox account. And in turn, it is also going to be saved. So just sign in using your credentials. There is no secret to this. Input the email address, send the verification code, input it here, and confirm, or scan the QR code. The second method is going to be for people who have made progress on the Xbox console and now they want to back it up into a Hoyoverse account. What you have to do is open the game, go into the Paimon menu and access the settings, and under the account category, you will find the User Center. Choose the option to go into the User Center, and I'm showing you PlayStation screenshots, but of course it is also going to work on Xbox. You will find the option to link here, so choose link, input the necessary credentials, send the verification code, and once you have the email and password set up, read and agree with the terms and link the account. Now your Hoyoverse account will be created. You can now use this account to play on other platforms and your Xbox progress is backed up. So if you are ever signed out of your account or if you encounter any problems, you can just sign in using this Hoyoverse account that was created and the progress will be saved. I hope I was able to help you on how to link Genshin Impact account to Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.